Blessed is he who expects nothing, for he shall never be disappointed. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. This idiom, this expression has been around since biblical times. It stated in Beatitudes, as well as Alexander Pope, who wrote in the style of the Bible, is credited with using it in a letter to John Gay. And I forgot to write down the year, but it's a long, long time ago. Now, I want to call BS on this particular idiom and expression. It, of course, means that if you don't expect anything good to happen, then you're never going to be disappointed, because whatever happens, happens, and you'll just go along with the flow of it. Now, I like to think that we get what we expect, especially when we're supersizing and growing our business. So why would we ever expect anything but then to achieve and exceed the goals and objectives we set for building and growing our business? We get what we expect. We only create the things that we set out to create. Will we always reach our goals and hit the mark the first time? I don't think so. I don't know anyone that's set a goal and reached it the first try, right? Or the first attempt, or the first thing that they did in order to try to achieve that thing. And that's true of building and growing and supersizing our business as well. We're talking about spiritual health and spiritual well-being in this year's Get Your Goals annual challenge. And this whole month we're focusing on spirituality, and what does that have to do with getting our goals and objectives, and how do we get the goals and objectives for ourselves that we want in the spiritual area of our life to enhance our spiritual well-being. Because bottom line is, if any area of our life isn't functioning properly, then we're going to have a hard time creating the things that we want in our life, especially growing and building a business. Growing and building a business, gurus say all the time, it's the best personal development project you'll undergo that you never knew you were undertaking. And it's absolutely positively true. Our businesses only grow and become what we are capable of growing and becoming, or getting the heck out of the way so that they can grow and expand and supersize, maybe in spite of us. So I'd love to know your take on this particular idiom and expression. Do you believe that you shouldn't expect anything because then you'll never be disappointed? Or do you believe the opposite, like I do, that you should expect to achieve whatever it is you set out to achieve and go for that and put your energy behind creating what you want to see in the world to make the world a better place? Well, others can believe what they want to believe, but we get to believe what we want to believe. So again, not one of my favorite idioms or expressions. I would probably say it's probably one of my least favorite, because I do believe we get what we expect. I believe we treat others the way we want to be treated, and that is how we make the world a better place. All right, have an awesome day. Any comments on this idiom? I would love to hear them. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have a great day.